Alright, got the mono 665 all put back together. When I got the saw, it did not have spark, so I went ahead and cleaned and gapped the points. While I did that, I just put new diaphragms in the carburetor right away. Don't know if it needed it or not, but I did it. When I got this saw, it also did not have a bar or chain. Just happened to have 7/16 chain laying around, so I sharpened it up and put it on. Gonna go ahead and try to make a cut or two with it now. Let's see how it goes.